guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about a face serum which will help to lighten your dark spots, pigmentation marks, hyperpigmentation marks, acne scars and even pimples completely from your skin. This homemade face serum is made up of potato, and potatoes is a really good skin bleaching, skin lightening as well as skin brightening ingredient which will brighten up your skin complexion, makes your skin really glowing and radiant, and will also remove dark spots and pigmentation problem permanently from your skin. So now let's see how to prepare this homemade potato face serum. And to prepare this serum, we firstly gonna need potato juice. And to prepare this juice, here I'm just taking this one potato, and now with the help of a grater I'm grating this potato, and here I'm grating this potato with its skin on. So there's no need to peel the potato because the skin of potato also has some amazing antioxidants as well as anti-aging properties into it which will really help your skin. And now after grating this potato, now we have to strain this grated potato so that we can have a very fine potato juice. And yeah, after straining it, your homemade potato juice is ready and it will look something like this. So here you just have to take approx 3 to 4 tablespoons of this potato juice into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon of honey into it. Now next up you're gonna need vitamin E oil, and here I'm just adding approx half to 1 teaspoon of this vitamin E oil into it. And if you're using the vitamin E capsules, then use 2 to 3 capsules. And now after adding it, just give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all combine well and makes a smooth mixture. And yeah, after just mixing them well, your homemade potato face serum is ready and will look something like this. So this potato face serum is a very powerful face serum. It will really brighten up your skin complexion and will also treat dark spots, acne scars, pimple marks, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, and will make your skin supremely bright, glowing, clear, radiant and supremely spotless. So to apply this face serum is supremely easy. Just apply this face serum onto your skin and let it sit there for around 15-20 minutes, or you can even keep it overnight if you want to. And after that, just rinse it off using normal water and pat and moisturize your skin. And do apply sunscreen after using this face serum. And for the best results, you have to use this serum twice in a day. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.